Good morning. We're really looking forward to today's program, which is a great opportunity to learn more about science at Yale and how that will help shape the future of the world.
It is so inspiring to me to see all of you volunteer leaders together sharing support of the university.
What are the big challenges that the world faces that science can address? Challenges that we have in our own health, challenges that we have in our climate or our environment.
What we're proposing is to build a new institute, Yale Information Science Institute, in order to understand the underlying mechanism, the basic mechanism by which inflammation is engaged, and when that goes wrong, how that triggers diseases.
We are finally recognizing that we, as a species, out of 10 million species on the planet, hold the keys to what happens next.
We recruit fabulous faculty who come here to pursue their intellectual interests, but it's really graduate students who are working alongside them, pushing forward the frontiers of research.
How can we ensure healthy behaviors among the Yale undergrads and alumni so more of us can attend more reunions in the future?
I came to Yale only about 22 months ago from another institution, and I've been absolutely dazzled by the health consciousness that infuses the undergraduate environment here.
It's these types of things that we do that are incredibly impactful.
It is a constant part of the campus conversation. What kind of understanding required for future well-being is gained through the mind, is gained through theory, is gained through words, and what part of what's required for future well-being is gained through skilled practice.